गोंयांत भौशीक येरादारी वेवस्था सुदारपाची गरज आसा अशें विधान म्हापशेचो आमदार जोशुआ डिसोजान केलें. जशी जशी उदरगत जाता तशें तशें ह्या वेवस्थांची लेगीत उदरगत जावपाक जाय, देखून गोंयांतल्या मुखेल शारांक जोडपी मेट्रो प्रकल्प सरकारान गोंयांत हाडपा विशीं विचार करचो अशी मागणी जोशुआन केला.
As the state keeps growing, so does the load on the infrastructure. Just as there is a need to improve roads, highways, and connectivity of villages, there is also a need to improve the public transport system in the state. The goal should be that an individual, instead of using his own vehicle, may it be his scooter or his car, should prefer to use public transportation. This will reduce the congestion we are seeing in many places today, and will also reduce the pollution levels in the state. Speaker said, during my recent visit to Mumbai, I noticed there is a metro line being constructed which will tackle the traffic issues plaguing the city of Mumbai. I would recommend that the government of Goa consider the same or similar project connecting the major cities of Margao, Vasco, Panjim and Mapsa in phase 1. The idea of having Goa's metro was first conceived by our Honorable late Chief Minister Shri Manohar Parrikar for the state in 2017, but it was not taken up during that time. The Niti Aayog has asked all states to submit their mobility plan in the year 2018 to attain electric mobility and wide renewable energy uses. Last year, our Honorable Minister for Transport, Shri Nitin Gadkari ji, also expressed his interest in the state for this system, which will be funded by his Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. I know that our Honorable Minister, Bab Mohan Gudino, is also of a similar opinion. This will be convenient for the office goers. Sakal fudeji गर्दी आसता and सांच्या वेळार जे लोक परत घरा वयता. It will aid in allowing them to travel to work without the hassle of the traffic jams. It will also help in movement of tourists across the state. I think this is a long-term project which will help the state overall, and it will also be viable maybe in the future.